Hi folks, I'm solving Leetcode's top 150 questions and that's all you need for your coding interviews. In this video, we'll be solving 55 jump game. We are given an integer array nums and initially we are positioned at first index of this num and each element in the array represents the maximum jump that we can make from that position and we have to return true if we can reach the last index. Let's take this example here since there are multiple paths to reach this 4 here. So yeah, if we take one step here and then 3 steps directly, it's a one path. If we take 2 steps, then 1 and then 1. This also counts and hence we are returning this true. There are multiple ways to solve this. A brute force way to think about this is, so let's just say when we start at this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4 index. From 0, we have got 3 choices. Either we could go on to the first index or we can go to the second index or third index. And then from this one, we have got 2 choices. Similarly, from 2, we have only got 1 choices which is 3. And this 3 right here, we know we can't move because the value is 0, so there is dead end, and this is true for all of this. But if you see this 2, we know from here that we can go up to 3, but then from 3 there is a dead end, so none of the path matches and hence we will return false. The time complexity for this approach will be n raised to the power n, which is not very efficient. We can use dp and that will make the solution from n raised to the power n to n square, which is much efficient than this one but still not very efficient. So what we will try now is we can try our greedy approach. We will try greedy. So let me show you how we can do that. Let's take this example itself to understand the greedy approach. So when we start from this 0 here, what we are saying is our goal is to reach onto this 4 right here. But if we traverse our nums from backward and check this element, that if let's just say we are at second last element and check what all jumps that we can make, from here we know that we can make one jump and we can reach to our goal. What we will do is we will move our goal from 4 to 1 and now we will look for how we can go from 0 to this 1 right here. Similarly, when we are here and we can go to the third last element here and check from here how many jumps that we can make. Again, here also we can make one jump at max. So let's just say we are here. So now the goal from this 2 is the third last element because we know that if we reach third last element, it can go to the second last and then finally the last index. And similarly, we are at here and from here we can make one jump. We can reach this 3 with one step itself. Overall, this greedy approach is linear time complexity. We are being greedy and moving our goal from the very last index to the very first index. And if our goal becomes 0 at the end, we will return true. So the code is very simple. Let me quickly show you how we can do that. It works. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, you can consider subscribing to this channel. And thank you so much for watching.